welcome to school.
1 kilo, 2 kilo, 1 kilo, 1 B, 1 kilo fair. They've never thought I'll make it to the top, but that's not fair. Thought it mama wow low, thought it daddy wow low.
Where is Mazio Keke? I mean, Mazio Keke, the one that is paying me money.
Mazio Keke,
Is it nice, my father? He drank Otapia.
What?
Did you brought us here to come and arrest that body? It is an offense.
How you go there with my money? Mazio Keke, I know they like this. I know they like this play. You tell me say make I come collect my money today. I know they like this play.
Young man, who is the guarantor that signed for the loan?
Yes, guarantor.
Is this side? Is this side?
I'm just their neighbor.
Oh, you are just their neighbor.
I came to commiserate with them.
No problem. You don't have issue.
He was a nice man.
Are you going?
Nice man. Now you carry my money down.
Yeah.
Who is the guarantor?
Where is your brother?
Is this side?
Go and bring him.
Now the brother, now you can be guarantor.
What is the guarantor? You don't have a problem. No, the guarantor will cough out your money. Just relax. See him here. See him here.
What?
Is this the guarantor?
He said if him brother no fit pay, say he go pay.
I said this cannot be the guarantor. Never.
If this one cannot be the guarantor, I'm hold this in Peking now.
No. Under the law of the Constitution of Nigeria and under Lagos State, a child or investor cannot be a guarantor. Bam. So if they cannot be a guarantor, you cannot use the Nigerian police force to play. I'm bringing them to come and play. Move it. Let's go to the station.
Let's go to the station.
Let's go to the station.
Officer,
Move it.
Officer, I did not know that.
Don't provoke you, or else I will use my machine on you. Yes.
Officer, see, officer, this thing you are doing not fair.
What is it that is not fair? I said move.
Officer, but I don't want to follow you to the station. Is there nothing again that I can do?
I can see that you are a very gentleman.
What? Please, now.
I'm supposed to be here of
This is what you will do. If I take you to the station, you will pay 100,000. So your daily price is 10,000.
What? 10,000?
Yes.
I hear me.
How much in the owe me now?
How much is he owing you? 2,800. So because of 2,800, that is yours. He's taking a poison.
Officer, you don't see.
You will still pay yourself.
See, wait. I know somebody that will bring the money.
Who is the person?
See this guy that is.
Hey! You don't run, you don't run. You see? You let the government run away. We are looking for the brother. We are looking. Not in that room today. Yeah, let's go.
School to